Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your business after a lawsuit with LegalZoom, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your business after a lawsuit, start by assessing the damages. Evaluate the impact of the lawsuit on your finances and reputation. Gather all relevant documents related to the case. This includes court records, settlement agreements, and any correspondence. Consult with your attorney to understand your legal position. This will provide clarity on any outstanding legal obligations. Next, focus on financial recovery. Review your business insurance policies to identify coverage for legal costs. Consider adjusting your budget to account for any losses incurred. Communicate openly with your employees about the situation. Reassure them of the company's commitment to moving forward. Once you have a clear understanding of your position, develop a recovery plan. Outline specific goals for both short-term and long-term recovery. Prioritize tasks that will restore customer confidence and trust. Begin implementing strategies to attract new clients. This may involve promotions, advertising, or community outreach. Evaluate your business structure and consider any necessary adjustments. This could include revising policies to prevent future legal issues. Utilize tools and resources available through LegalZoom. LegalZoom offers guidance on business formation, compliance, and legal document services. Seek additional legal advice if needed to navigate complex regulations. Take steps to rebrand or refresh your image if necessary. A renewed brand presence can help erase negative associations. Monitor your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay informed about legal requirements to mitigate future risks. Invest in training for your staff on legal compliance and customer relations. Lastly, maintain a proactive approach to business management. Continually assess potential risks and have crisis management plans in place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.